Guys, hi, what's up? This is Deepak here, Deepak Motwani. So it's time to unbox one of my favorite protein, that is Nitrotech. You can see the packing. It's really wonderful. And you can see the jar. Well, this is how the original protein looks like. And we are about to tear up the seal. And guys, I'll have to find out the scoop inside. I need to put my hand into it. It's very tough to find out the scoop, but still I won't give up. I'll certainly find some way out. Yeah, finally. Well guys, this is the scoop. And I'm putting into 400 ml of water. This is my post-workout protein. Now, let us check the mixability of the brand. It mixes so nicely. That means the quality of protein is really awesome, and there is no sort of amino spiking. So guys, this is about Nitrotech, and just wait, we might unbox a new protein very soon. Goodbye.